Hi guys, this is Bean Fat Burger Studio again. If you're first time to tune in to my channel, hit the subscribe button, the bell icon na rin, and share this video so that everybody, all of you there, na nakasubscribe sa aking YouTube channel ay you will enjoy all the weekly and monthly gadget review, droning, cinematic, and YouTube tutorial. At syempre, nabubulo na ako. Paborito ng lahat ay yung mga surprise giveaways po natin. Okay? So, stay tuned. And this month of September na ba? This month of September, okay? All about action cameras. Ang mga i-unbox natin to share with you, okay? What are those action camera? I think all those vloggers, all those bikers, and weekend warriors, you will like this one, okay? We'll start with the first action camera na ating i-unbox and discuss with you. And this is the Kodak Pixpro Sp360 action camera with Explorer accessories. Okay, let's get it on. Okay, guys, sinabi ko, no? So we're going to unbox this one. And as usual, our normal routine, unbox, check everything, what is it? And then later on, we'll go for a ride and check ano ba quality nitong first action camera ng ating Kodak Pixpro Sp360. Ano pinagkaiba ng camera na to sa mga standard action cam? Kasi pag sinabi natin action cam, isa lang papasok sa utak natin. GoPro, okay? Papasok DJI, di ba? Akaso. So now, let's check. Kodak Sp360. First time ko rin narinig to. Okay? Thank you po sa nagpadala nito and then let's check it out. Ano ba ang nasa laman? Okay. Okay guys, this is the box of the Kodak Pixpro Sp360. As you can see, yung trademark ni Kodak na dilaw na dilaw, nandiyan siya. So black and yellow. At yung gandang unboxing niya at nakita nyo kagad yung camera. So makita nyo pala sa labas, yung camera parang may dome type. Hindi ko alam kung dome type o fish eye lens but from the word SP360 means 360 degrees. Mukhang exciting. Kaya tune in, no? So bantay kayo lang dyan, okay? Ako nang bahala sa pagdadaldal dito, kabubulo ko, pero it's worth and exciting to share this gadget for you. Okay. Sa gilid, no, makikita nyo dito yung ano kagad yung laman. But I don't know anong exact na laman yan. Then we'll check it one by one. So basically, no, sa isang package na to, makita mo may dalawang division kagad na box. That means dalawang box ang nasa loob. So hindi natin ang laman. Simulan na natin pag-unbox. Okay? Again guys, we're unboxing this Kodak Pixpro Sp360. Okay? Tanggal na tayo. Okay? Ating gunting. Simulan na natin ang pag-unbox. So may mga lang siya, may mga tape lang naman. Okay, dandalan tayo. Ganda kasi yung box. So sa mga, I think last time I already throw away to lakh subscriber ko ng dalawang action camera. And if you think if we need to do it again, okay, last time I gave one GoPro Hero 5. Yeah, Hero 5. And then another one is Akaso EK7000 professional type. Okay, I hope those vloggers, no, you are using that very good action camera at sana buhay pa. So if you would like to do that again, another run for the action camera giveaways, so comment lang po. Okay, comment lang po and then pag-aralan po ng aming YouTube group. Okay, kung ano magiging outcome yan. But again, it's a good option if we will going to do it again, another round for that action camera giveaways. Okay, nabuksan na po natin. Tape lang pala. Pagbukas pa lang, hindi ko mabukas. Ano ba to? Ayun, dandaan lang pala. Nakuha kagad natin, nakaseparate yung camera. Okay. First box. So, outer box, may dalawang inner box. So, natin dito, makikita nyo, ito yung bundle of accessories niya. Separate. This is the camera unit and this is the bundle. Okay? Ito siya. Okay? Simulan natin ito muna. Itong camera, alam ko atat na kayo. Sinisinok ako. So, let's see. First time lang din ako magkakaroon ng camera na 360. Kasi dati parang ayaw ko eh. Parang corny. Ba't nakikita ko na ngayon, marami nang nagti-360 na camera. Okay. Subukan natin, may enjoy tayo. So, ganda ang boxing niya, no? Okay. Hard plastic boxing. Meron siyang mga manuals. So, manuals. So, straight from USA. This product. Thank you so much. Okay. Unahin natin yung mga Kikai kit. Meron siyang, as usual, the USB. Buksan natin. Meron siyang standard na USB to old school na micro USB. Hindi pa siya type C. So, standard. And then, lens cover, dome type. Okay. What's this? Charger. Saan natin? Kakalata naman ako dito. So, charger siya. Battery. So, Pixpro pa rin, Kodak. And then, the power plug. So, combine ito tatlo. Bolt in sila. That's the charger. At meron siyang, magaling, ang cute. Meron siyang pouch. So, attack anywhere, pwedeng ilagay natin sa mga belt natin, yung butas, belt hole ba tawag doon. So, nakalagay pa rin mismo, Pixpro 360 action camera. Totial. Okay, totial na totial. Good! May extra battery. Sana extra battery to, Hopefully, sana extra battery. Free. Tingnan natin. Okay, that's a pouch. And now, let's go to the camera. Ooh! Okay, guys. Wala na laman. Dito mo siya. See? That's the camera. And that's it. 360 nga. Okay. Base dito, no, basahin natin to. Ang sinasabi dito sa camera tong Kodak Pixpro Sp360 is 2 meter to or 6 feet. Okay? Shockproof. Ibagsak man siya. Within 6 feet, okay daw siya. Subukan natin pag sumem lang tayo habang nagbabike. Splash-proof. Okay? Splash-proof. It's not the same as waterproof. Corresponding to how many meters below the sea level. This one is only a splash-proof. Like umuulan. Okay? Natalsiyan. Still working. Dust-proof. Alikabok lang yun eh. At it can withstand. Okay, kaya pala may nakikita ako na mga ilang weekend warriors from abroad, snowy siya, no, snowy condition, it can withstand up to negative 10 degrees. Okay? So you can use this one during winter and snowy season out there. Okay. 16 megapixel. 16 megapixel ang kanyang MOS, and then full HD 1080p, okay, ready na, pang YouTube. Okay? At, ito malupit. May Wi-Fi. Okay, may Wi-Fi. Ayan. May Wi-Fi na siya. Where's the logo? See? Ayan. Kita nyo? May Wi-Fi na siya. And then, NFC na. So, alike sa mga iOS, sa Android, sa mga phone, pwede na i-connect. So, that's the, yung ating, the head unit. Now, let's check now yung ating bundle of accessories. Ang kalta natin, no? Tabi na natin to. So, here now's the Pixpro 360 Kodak accessories. Ano ba laman nito? May chocolate kaya dito. Again, guys, no? Comment now. What can you say about this Kodak Pixpro 360 action camera? Parang ayaw pa bukas. Ako, baka masira ako naman itong box na to. Okay. Wow. So, there you go. Laman ng bundle accessories niya ay meron daw siyang standard housing. Okay, bar mount, curved adhesive mount, flat adhesive mount, extended arm, quick clip, vented helmet strap mount, also square double-sided adhesive, and teeter twice ang kanyang dami. Let's see, ano ba yun? Okay, buksan na natin. So, kasama to, accessories, mounting, sa bar mount, okay, motorbike, okay, mga bikes natin, okay. Then, meron din siyang, if you would like to go underwater, okay, alam ko mayroong nag-comment, may nagparamdam, mayroong nakinervyos, doon sa naghahanap ng underwater action camera. Ayan po. Ayos, meron siya. At ilang adhesive, okay, 3M. Again guys, 3M adhesive. Sana may libreng battery pa. Ilang strap. Litang strap naman to. Strap na pang kwintas. So, ang lito para mag-strap. And then, mounting again is another mounting. Ulitin na natin. Okay. And I believe, itong mount na to, match to dito. Gaganyan siya. Ayan. Ayan. Dito yung camera. Okay. Tapos ano pa laman? Separate ano rin. May mga separate mounting din. And I think, helmet strap. This is a helmet strap. Okay. Ganyan siya. And then, sabihin mo na ito. Ito. Ayan, helmet strap. Depending how you're going to mount. Okay, dalawa na helmet mount strap. Isa namang, meron din siyang strap again. Not strap, mounting. In a different use. It's a curve. Okay? It's a curve mount. And then, as you can see, pag bibili tayo mga action camera, maraming accessories yan, no? Mayroong mga mounting, as usual, standard, no? Ang original is laging may 3M tayo na adhesive. Okay, and then, mount it. Ito, curve type, and probably this one is, okay, tama ako. This one is a flat type. And then, another mounting. Okay, I'll give you a quick tips, no? Ginagawa ko to. As you can see, pag may mga mounting kayo mga action camera, o even hindi action camera, yung mga nabibili nyo sa ilang mga online store na may adhesive, mapapansin nyo, pag nagdidikit kayo, like sa kotse nyo, sa bahay ninyo, dinikit nyo, nalalaglag ng katagalan. Tama ba? Sabihin nyo hindi. Comment kayo now. Now, ito technique yan. Pag tinanggal nyo na yung sticker, okay, banatan nyo ng init, lighter, hintayin nyo mag-bubbles yung surface. Habang na-bubbles, mainit sa may dikit nyo. Ay, 101% matindi ang kapit nun. Ganun ginagawa ko. Pansin sa mga helmet na ginamit, yung mga dirikitan ko, sa mga mounting ko, wasak na yung biker. Simple lang na yung biker. Wasak na yung bisikleta, pero yung mounting buong-buo. Ganyan katibay. Okay guys, yun lang ang laman, no? Parang bahay ng gagamba. So, these are all the, lahat ng laman ng ating Sp360. Maganda siya. So, the challenge now is how good it is. So, nakikita ko to, the best way daw na ilagay ito is ganyan. Para around 360 while doing some action or doing some clips. Whether you are doing some biking, okay, riding a car, or in motion vlogging, ganyan. Para at least kita yung buong paligid. I don't know. We will try it. So now, let's go out. Let's do some bike riding, okay? And then let's see what is the quality of this. Well, again, guys, don't forget, please, hit the subscribe button, okay? Marami pang action camera masusunod. Tara, labas na tayo. Magbisikleta tayo. Let's go by, okay? And then check this action camera. Ano ba ang quality, ang anong itsura? Okay, let's get it on, guys. Hello, guys. This is Fat Biker Studio. Rocking the road using our Kodak Pixpro Sp360. There you go, guys. Enjoy watching.
the actual video testing or the test run of our new action cam Kodak Pixpro Sp360.